Rupert Grint shares first photo of his and Georgia Groom's daughter Wednesday after joining Instagram. A magical moment. Rupert Grint shared the first photo of his and Georgia Groom's 6-month-old daughter on Tuesday, November 10, after joining Instagram. "Hey Instagram, only 10 years late, but here I am," the Harry Potter star 32 captioned a selfie with his little Gwen Grint on the gram. "Here to introduce you all the Wednesday G. Grint. Stay safe, Rupert." In the social media upload, the actor's daughter faced away from the camera. She rested her head on her dad's chest while wearing a pink sweater. As Weekly confirmed in April that the England native was expecting his first child with his pregnant girlfriend, 28, Rupert Grint and Georgia Groom are excited to announce they are expecting a baby and would please ask to privacy at this time. A publicist for Grint and the actress told us at the time. The following month, the pair were delighted to confirm the birth of their baby girl. The couple's rep told us in May, "We would please ask to you respect their privacy at this very time."